Hey class, how's it going? So this is my website. I was kind of struggling with an idea to come up with to do a website, and I'm a recent member, pretty recent member of the church, 2016, and it's just been a crazy ride for me. I've been learning just so much about the church, and so this idea came to me. The original thought was to kind of have a website to record all the things that I've learned about the church so that somebody else investigating the church could also read about it and kind of learn through my experience. So that's why I titled it "Becoming a Latter-day Saint." And let's see, the colors I chose. Um, Try to go with blues and yellows, and just kind of keep the background light colored. I really like the silver and the brown kind of going together. I was just trying to go for a clean and simple look. This is the Oakland Temple. I'm from California, Bay Area, so Oakland is pretty close to me, and so that's the temple that I went through. This is me and my family after we got sealed in the Oakland Temple. Of course, picture of Jesus Christ, and um, I like this picture of the movers, all the cool things that church members do. And not all these links work. I was going to get them all going, but I didn't. So you click on service and goes over here. And for service, I just had all these different categories, even though there's probably more than this, but serving in the church, serving in our communities, and serving the world. That was one thing about the church that really impressed me was the level of service that's provided by all the members willingly and joyfully. So I wanted to talk about that. And with priesthood is also another thing that is just really impressive to me that I've enjoyed learning about, and of course, very honored to hold the priesthood these days. So I thought I'd give some information about some important parts of the priesthood, the restoration, the Aaronic and Melchizedek priesthood, and with the pictures and everything. And again, I was really just trying to keep it as simple, just a simple kind of basic design, I guess. And let's see, well, my contact form was pretty simple also. And I did the about my family, and that just kind of tells a little bit about me and my church history and my career. The style guide I went with kind of explained what I was going with. My wireframes, I was going to try to do this video and quote, and I played around with it for a while, but couldn't get it to work the way I wanted it to work. But anyway, that is my website. I enjoyed working with it. This was hard. I learned a lot. I don't know a whole lot about this kind of stuff. So it was definitely a learning experience. I think the hardest part was getting everything positioned where I wanted it positioned, and so it didn't move around and get all messed up when you resize the page. I really enjoyed looking at everybody's website myself. Great job. I enjoyed learning with everybody, and take care.